Hey everyone, M1 Shadow here. Today I have some beer marinated barbecue pork chops for you. This is very easy to do, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we have a Ziploc baggie here. This is actually a 1-gallon bag. I've got about 5 pork chops in there, and we're going to go ahead and pour our beer in there. Next we want to go ahead and close it up. Once it's closed, go ahead and make sure the beer coats everything. And then we're going to go ahead and put it in the refrigerator for a little while. So here we are. I let these marinate probably between half an hour and 45 minutes. And what we're going to do now is I've got some pulled pork rub. And you use whatever rub you want, but we're going to use this one for right now. And we want to go ahead and get both sides seasoned. And now we're going to let these sit for about 5 to 10 minutes while the grill heats up. We have our grill preheated. Now we're going to go ahead and put these pork chops on. And then we're going to come back and check on them probably in about maybe 7 to 10 minutes. So here we are about 10 minutes later, and we're going to go ahead and flip these over. As you can see, what we're doing now is putting some barbecue sauce on there. Then go ahead and brush it all over. And at this point, they're actually mostly cooked, so we're going to come back here in about 5 to 7 minutes and see if they're done. So here we are about another 10 minutes later. These look done. Let's pull them off and give them a try. And here you have it. Our barbecue beer pork chops are done. Let's give it a taste test. Wow. But like I always say, don't take my word for it. You got to give this one a try. As always, I do want to thank you all for watching, and have a good one.